Tips on how to cook frozen cassava and plantains for fufu. The first step is to wash the frozen plantains and then cut both the ends of the plantains. Divide it into 3 to 4 pieces depending on how big the plantains are. The plantains look slightly darker because here in Ghana, if the plantains are not frozen, they are going to turn into ripened plantains, which we don't want and cannot be used in the preparation of fufu. At this point, fetch some water into your cooking pot. Place it on your source of heat and allow it boil. When the water is boiling, place into it the chopped plantain pieces and then add onto the top the already peeled and chopped cassava pieces. Allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes as you cover it with some white rubber. And this is how it looks after it is cooked through and through. When it's cooked, remove the peels of the plantain from it and then pound it or get it processed in the machine to form the fufu, which you can enjoy with any soup here in Ghana, like the palm nut soup, groundnut soup, green, or even light soup.